Welcome to the Year 2 strategy for addition. In this lesson, I'm learning to count on from the larger number. Let's start with this question. I've got 35 counters and I want to add 4 more. Well, let's see what that looks like on a number line. And you can see I only need a small section of a number line to answer this problem. And my section of number line starts at 35 because that's the number that I'm going to be counting on from. So from here I need to count on 4 more numbers. So I'll go to 36, 37, 38 and 39. So 35 plus 4 is 39. Notice how when I counted on, this was the first number that I said out loud. So I didn't start by saying 35. Let's try another question. Let's imagine I've got 6 counters and I want to add 31 more. Now I could start at 6 on my number line and then I could count on 31 more numbers, but that's going to take a really long time, because imagine having to do 31 jumps up the number line. So there's a better place I could start. Instead of starting at 6, I'm going to start at 31. So if I come down to my number line, you can see I've got my number line starting at 31, and from here this is where I'm going to jump on 6 more spaces. So now I need to move from 31 6 jumps further up my number line, and remember that the first number I'm going to say is this next number here, which is 32. So I've got 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 and 37. And we can double check that I've made the right amount of jumps. I had to do 6 jumps. Here was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. So 31 plus 6 is 37, or 6 plus 31 is 37. Let's have a think about the important things to remember from this lesson. Well, probably the most important thing is to remember that we're going to be counting on from the larger number. And the second thing to remember is that the first number you say out loud isn't the number that you're starting at, it's the next number. You can find the activity sheet that goes with this lesson in the Teacher Tools Addition and Subtraction book from the White Book collection.